Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 7. An amount of 550,000 Naira was realized when a principal X was saved at 2% simple interest for 5 years. Find the value of X. Now, this was the total amount received. The simple interest, definitely I, will be equals to the total amounts received after this period of 5 years, which is 550,000 Naira, minus the principal amount, which is X. Then the principal amount is X. So we can now say that, okay, that since I, which is simple interest, is equals to PRT all over 100, that is principal times rate times time over 100, we can now say that that the P, which is the principal amount, P now is equals to I, which is the simple interest, multiplied by 100 all over RT. All over RT. So from here now, since we know that the principal amount is X, so we can now say X is equals to, since that's what we're looking for, X is equals to I, and I is 550,000 minus X, then multiply by 100, so times 100 all over R multiplied by T. Now the R is the rate, and the rate is 2%, so that is 2 multiplied by the time is 5 years, 5. So therefore X is equals to, we'll have X is equals to, opening the bracket, we'll have 550,000,000, that's multiplying it by 100, then minus 100x also all over 10. So from here we'll have that 10x is equals to 550,000, then 00 minus 100x. So bringing this 100x to this place, as if you are adding 100x to both sides. Now adding 100x to both sides, we'll have 110x is equals to 550,123,12. So to find x, we simply divide both sides by 110. So x is equals to 550,000,000 all over 110, and this will give us x to be equals to 500,000 Naira. So the answer to this question is actually option D, 500,000 Naira. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.